everyone is peaceful, no fights, nothing. But you will create a fight between one person and the other. Also, people cause trouble in our life. What is it? Between two people that nothing is happening. Monitoring spirits, ni. What's your business?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ wò ó. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára ó tójú sú ni o. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Fathia Balogun tó lọ ṣe íńtávíù pẹ̀lú Bayi tí Bayi ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ wípé òun gbọ́ pé ó ti padà sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọkọ rẹ̀ tó kọ̀ sílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Fathia Balogun dá a lóhùn wípé ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé ex-husband mi ni Saheed Balogun, wípé rárá o. Bayi tún bi Fathia Balogun pé ó dáa pé ká ní bàbá ọmọ rẹ ìyẹn baby father ẹ. Ó ní rárá kó má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ pé tóun bá délé òun á sọ fún Saheed Balogun. Arákùnrin ṣáà insist pé àní báwo lọ̀rọ̀ Saheed Balogun ṣe jẹ́ nísìnyí. Fathia Balogun ní pé orúkọ òun ni Fathia Balogun Williams, pé orúkọ ọkọ òun ni Balogun nígbà tí orúkọ bàbá òun á máa jẹ́ Williams, wípé tí Bayi bá sọ̀rọ̀ jù òun tóun bá délé òun á sọ fún Saheed Balogun o. Ìyẹn wá béèrè pé mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, báwo lo ṣe sọ pé tó bá délé? Definitely ilé tóun lọ ọ̀dọ̀ Saheed Balogun ni. Eléyìí ló fa wuyewuye táwọn èèyàn fi ní pé àwọn méjèèjì ti padà. Dẹ́yìn tá a bá tún wò lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, a rí wípé gbogbo occasion tí Fathia wà ibẹ̀ náà ni Saheed lọ́jọ́ ń wà o. Pàápàá jùlọ nígbà tí Fathia tó sin òkú ìyá rẹ̀, ẹ rí i pé Saheed wà ń bẹ̀ láti gba wake up títí táwọn fi parí wedding yìí ni o. Àti wípé wọ́n jọ wà ń bẹ̀ bíi lọ́kọ-láya jọ máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀, jọ jókòó papọ̀, jọ jó papọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nígbà tó ti dẹ̀gbà tí Fathia Balogun tó ń ṣe premier fíìmù ẹ̀ ẹ̀fúróyè, Saheed Balogun náà tún wà ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n jọ wọ àǹkó tí wọ́n jọ ń jó tínú gbogbo èèyàn dùn. Ìdùnnú ló ṣubú layọ̀, ó dáa bẹ́ẹ̀ kò dáa kí lè dàrú. Pàápàá jùlọ àwọn méjèèjì ni wọ́n ti jọ ní ọmọ tí ọmọ wọn sì ti dàgbà. Ó ṣeé ṣe káwọn ọmọ náà máa pe bàbá àtìyá wọn pé bàbá, dádì mi, mọ́mì mi, kò dáa kẹ́yìn méjèèjì kẹtúkà o. Àfẹ́ kẹ́yìn méjèèjì kẹ́ ṣe kíni, kẹjọ wà papọ̀. Irú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó possible kírú ẹ̀ kó wáyé o. Ṣùgbọ́n kàkà kí àwọn èèyàn kan ṣe ẹnu wọn ní gbọ́lágún, mo rò bí níṣe náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń disturb arábìnrin yìí o. Eléyìí ló mú Fathia tó fi pariwo síta pé ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kí ló dé? Irú àwọn ìbéèrè burúkú wo lẹ ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ òun? Pé ṣé monitoring spirit nìyí ni? Ẹ wò ó, ẹ má jẹ́ ká fàágùn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi fídíò yìí lẹ̀ kí gbogbo wa kájọ wò ó, kẹ́ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí Fathia sọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ fi Fathia lọ́rùn lẹ̀, ẹ má béèrè kú béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ kájọ wo fídíò náà. Ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi wò sàlẹ̀ níbi tán kọ subscribe sí, ẹ kílìkì lé subscribe yẹn fún wa. Ọwọ́ yín tẹ fi ń tẹ subscribe ní orúkọ Jésù. Ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sin, bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o.
Who told you he's my ex? I used to think you have brain, that you were brilliant, but now I can see you don't have one single brain at all.
Can you swear that you and Mr. Saheed Balogun are not doing papa inside the other room?
Introduced.
Who else is here?
I've known you since you were like this.
Story.
And you introduced me like that.
How should I have?
That is even not the bone of contention. If that's your stupid English you just spoke just now, you said, I went back to my ex. You are a fool. You are a fool, big one. Who told you he's my ex?
What is he? Oh, sorry, baby daddy.
Lord Denny. To my ex. It's good. I will tell him when I get home.
He's at home?
Hey, don't worry.
He's at home?
Maybe that is what you want to hear. Abi, what else do you want to hear?
Women.
Women. Hello, women.
Women.
Be you. I went back to my ex.
I heard you crawled back, sir.
I crawled back.
Is that a better English? Will that make you understand better? So he's at home?
And I spoke to myself before I came here. I said, I don't want to be angry.
Stop hiding from the question. So he's at home?
What is your business?
Did I leave with you? You mentioned home. What concern me with your home? Why did you mention home? You are the one that jabber now.
I jabber. At my age, I will jabber. Jabber for what?
So he's at home? Hey. Okay.
But can we please go to the main questions?
All right. Whether it's at home or it's not at home, only God knows. I know Fathia Balogun very well. Like, I'm a big fan of Fathia Balogun. But who is this struggling actress I'm hearing nowadays, Fathia Williams? Who is that one? Because Fathia Williams does not really have a goal like that. Good question, right? But Fathia Balogun, respect. That one is. Can you tell us about who Fathia Williams is? Because I don't know her. I don't want to know her. But just for people that are watching, let's give them something to watch. Who is Fathia Williams?
Your father was my friend before he died. Close one. I respect him so much. And I know that you went to school. You understand? So, tell me, Fathia Williams and Fathia Balogun, are they two different people? In school to law?
For me, they are.
How?
See, me, I'm saying that I'm a big fan of Fathia Balogun. Fathia Balogun is here. Fathia Balogun. You think this I'll be doing? I'll be shaking. So Fathia Williams, I don't rate Fathia Williams at all. Like Fathia Balogun is here. Fathia Williams is here. To me, you understand? To me.
So stupid you. Who is sitting down here?
But I don't know. It's you that will tell me. It's you that will tell her. Introduce yourself.
So you brought me from my house to come and sit down and be differentiating between Fathia Balogun and Fathia Williams.
You that okay. Don't not see before like.
Okay. Maybe I explain. My name is Fathia Balogun Williams. My father's name is Williams.
Famzin.
Famzin.
You are famzing by the Baloguns.
I'm famzing the Baloguns, or the Baloguns are famzing me. Oh, Yoruko yeni.
Who is this?
Fathia Williams. Oh, Yoruko ye.
Are you Fathia Balogun?
I am Fathia Balogun Williams.
Now you are Fathia.
Going to go Lord Joyce on Third Milan Bridge. To bad doing. I know your type now. I know your type. Separation type, ni.
Mama, you are confusing me.
Confusing you how? The people that have sense at home, they already know that this is Fathia Williams Balogun sitting down. But stupid you, your head, you will not know. I even thought that when I come that you will even respect me and ask me normal questions. I didn't know the same thing.
What am I asking that is not cool?
Stupid questions.
Don't say that again. Don't say what my questions are stupid. Don't take it back.
Take what back? Stupid over 100 questions, don't be me. I used to be a fan of this program. Oh, really? No problem. Let's go.
I'm just giving.
Go on.
You are scaring me. You're not making me free. You understand? This one, you came tile, let's come and beat me. Please take it easy. You understand? I'm just asking. I'm trying to promote you out there. And we both know. We both know that you need this promotion.
Promote me, I'm promoting you.
Who knows Fathia Williams? They know Fathia Williams than Bayi.
Bayi. You used me in that's your skits that you did not even succeed in it. You remember you used me, you begged to use me.
Why I used this? Because it is skits that did not succeed that you used to feature in. So I now used you in.
My skits was one of the best one you did. When you were still doing that, don't let me insult you. You are my son. Don't let me insult you.
I know my mother, please. Boy, you want to fans me the way you fans them Baloguns. Please, I know my mother. So let's just move on. Let's talk about what you are obviously here for. You understand? Which is promotion that you need. Let's talk about Efun Roye, the unicorn. Efun Roye means unicorn. Is that the meaning of Efun Roye?
Ask your brain if she went to school, or if you want me to call someone to come and tell you what Efun Roye, the unicorn means. Because right now, I used to think you have brain, that you were brilliant, but now I can see you don't have one single brain at all. You begged me to come to this show. You didn't sleep. You did not sleep, oh.
God forbid.
I now came here now. You are insulting me, asking me nonsense questions.
See, okay. I know you came here for promotion, but why me I call you here for? Do you want to know it? I'm here because I'm curious about so many things. You are confusing us, you understand, online. You understand? Tell us, where is your position online? Go. What are you doing? Are you single?
Show wa okay, sha. Show wa okay. I'm confusing you, Bawu. Bayi. To ask me many questions, you shaking. I'm sorry, Sha.
I'm just asking, what's your status? Okay, you know what? Don't say that. Hold on, I have something. Hold on. Can you swear that you and Mr. Saheed Balogun are not doing pa inside the other room? That is something funny.
Bayi.
Don't use laugh and cover it now. Just swear that you people are not entering the other room. Tell me people are doing because I know you say, it's professional, but just promoting them is a lie. Swear.
I should swear.
Yes, all these are
not doing it.
Pa. When I mean pa, let me give you this pa.
Aye tita. Wala aye tita be you.
Are you going to swear or not?
I should swear on what?
Are you people doing this thing in the other room? Yes or no?
Am I a child?
Are you?
Am I a child?
So you are.
I will be swearing that I'm doing. If I do it, what? I don't understand.
Anybody here? Are you doing?
So why would I start carrying black pot and red cloth? Because
Are you?
Ben me sound jo. Only random kekere. Are you doing that?
We your fans want to know now. People that
You want to know that I'm doing pa. You my fans. How? I should write timetable for you people.
So we can't know. Then why are you a celebrity? We cannot ask questions about you. Why are you a celebrity? We force you.
Okay. No vex. I'm sorry.
Are you going to answer or we should move on to the next question?
Move on to the next question.
I guess you all know the answer already.
Oh, day.
Women. Hey, let's go to the next question. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Women.
You want to go to the next question?
Please, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's go on to the next question. Let's talk about the Furoye. It came out May 1st, right? Talk now.
Yes.
Are you angry about something? Let's talk now.
I'm not angry. I'm waiting for your next question.
It came out May 1st.
Yes, sir.
I wish I did this interview with you earlier. I wanted to suggest to you that instead of showing it in cinema for people to go and watch, you cannot just gather all the cast in the movie and you people should help us act it in National Theatre.
Khalid.
Yes, ma'am.
Jamal. Ewole.
What have we?
Ewole dada. So that tẹ́ bá máa gbá ní ojú, ẹ lè ráyè gbá lójú. So, èmi máa dì í mú mi.
Ask the question again.
Ask the question again.
Man, we've not reached.
Ask the question again.
I said Efunroye is showing May 1st.
Fantastic.
It's a very, I'm sure it's a very interesting movie.
Very, very.
Continue.
Olafi Albarikasi. God bless it. So, nice one. Do you want to say anything about Efunroye?
Oh yeah, say something about Efunroye.
Efunroye the Unicorn is a fantastic movie, as you can see out there.
Okay, you have watched it.
What kind of question is that?
I want to know, have you watched it?
What kind of question is that? Of course, I've watched it.
Okay. Maybe you should start with who the hell you are. Yes, is it that she picked you on the street as Agbero? I don't know now. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Leave him. Wait. See, there is a reason why I'm a first class student and you are not. You understand? There is a level to smartness between us. You understand? Let me explain it to you. Do you get? My name is Balogun, right? And this, exactly. She has told you since that you can't comprehend things easily, right?
When someone looks at your stomach, you will say, you have the tendency and the capacity of the people. But why do you not leave it in your stomach?
Because it has gone to his brain. And the swelling in his brain itself, it's not as if he's saying something brilliant.
Yes, it amazes me how you manage to rise to new lows.
I'm sorry. Okay, sorry, I didn't know that they were children. Yes, I just thought.
Curiosity or what rubbish, don't pay.
That's my own. Like, what is like? If they ask you now, like, what is your niche? Like, what do you do?
I give people like your mommy promotion.
You give me promotion. I gave you promotion.
Give him.
Before you did this one,
Don't let us handle it. Just sit down.
Okay.
When last do you see somebody just randomly watching Bayi on the, like any of our friends have they randomly watching?
The last time I saw Bayi was when he used to do Insta Babu at the end of that. We do Insta Babu.
Otito. Go to the main question.
Khalid, and what's your own name?
What's his name?
I don't know his name.
What's his name?
I forgot.
You forgot. You forgot his name.
I'm sorry.
What's his
Let me
name?
say something.
What is it? What? Tell me his name.
I'm coming. Let me say something. You know you have overused this one to be dancing.
Oh, sing for
Leave him.
Maybe I have anger issues. He did not tell me.
What he was.
On this, I have anger issue. On this thing, I have anger issue. More than anger issue, self. What's his name? Kilo sir.
I don't want to say it.
Jamalo.
No, let me.
Kilo Sufefun, what do you want from us?
Let's promote a 4 year. Is it still showing in cinemas?
No, it's not showing.
Is it all cinemas?
It's showing in your house. It's not showing.
Is it all cinemas?
It's in your Iluyi.
I want to give you an advice. Like, I see the way you speak, and I look at you. You talk about promotions and stuff like that. What's your thoughts? But they become your words. What your words, they become your actions. What your actions, they become your habits. What your habits, they become your character.
You have educated children.
You become your destiny.
He cannot understand.
The reason why you do all this is because your destiny has always to become a vendor. You are here to be a vendor to us.
Vendor.
Now, when we started the show, you said like this, somebody's like this, here like this. Yes, she is like this because she is Fathia with Balogun. She's always like this. And you always look from like this.
Exactly.
Let
him know.
Bali from top to bottom.
Let
top
him know.
To bottom. Top to bottom.
He can't do that. He's too fat. Like if he goes here.
Let go. He takes your coming to.
Don't worry. Let him continue.
So I guess for you people to be here, you people are happy that your mommy is using your daddy to promote. That's a very good thing.
Intellect is a luggage. Intellect is a luggage. Trust me, actually like.
Don't face me. Let's correct mama.
That what? Correct that what?
She's using our brother, please.
Who's your brother? This is my brother here. This is my mother here. Who's your brother?
Who's your brother? But not him. Attaché.
Your brother. We are not shapeless and fat like this in our family. Who's your brother?
Attaché.
One more. I see know these people. Because they cause you down. They're disrespecting me.
You didn't disrespect me.
We will stand.
Wait, you did not disrespect me by telling me what's the difference between Fathia Balogun and Fathia Williams. You did not disrespect me.
It's a question.
By telling me that I should take this your stupid charcoal to swear.
Something they're supposed to break for you. What's the difference between his Bayi and Bayi?
What's the difference?
See, one is not up, one is not down. Two of them are down.
Since can they swear?
Get well, law. Get well, law.
Swear that. Swear that what?
Please ask next question.
Let's ask a very serious question now. You understand? Very serious question. You lost your mom a few months ago. You understand? I really commend you on that, and I welcome you to orphanhood. You understand? Welcome to the team. Yes. You guys should clap now. It's a very
it's okay.
Welcome. Me too.
Yeah, sense that makes sense.
Yeah. Welcome to orphanhood. Me too. I lost my mom. Me too. I don't have a dad too again. So I'm proud of you. I'm proud that you've got into orphanhood. You understand? It takes a lot. That's why I say you might senior me by age. What I used to senior you. See when your own mom is just dying. My mom have died since. So I've used that knowledge to pass you. You understand? So you are just experiencing it. So you can senior me with age, senior me with that. You first mean to blow. But you see some things I know more than you. You understand?
Like you are right in one statement you said. You said you senior her that you lost. Because it shows that you've lost father figures, mother figures, like you've lost it in the long.
It's not your mom that are age mate, so you can't talk to me like that though. It's not your mom that are age mate though. Tell your children, I'm not talking no.
Okay guys. Leave him. I know it's in shame. Leave him. Let me face him. Leave him. Leave him. Oh yeah.
Unless he says something.
Let's go.
They should be going. Which one is that you stay?
They should be going. They should be going. She come along.
Come on, let them go.
They should go.
Okay,
no problem.
Just stay like this.
Emalo. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Call us.
I will. Once you love.
That's why they use you to be dancing, to be decent.
Leave. Let me use him. If I don't use him, who will use him now? You did not. Nobody to use you now. No father, no mother. So who is going to use you? Is it your old age that your children will be using you? Because you are a star, they will be saying that our daddy is Bayi. They will start using you as old age. Don't pray for that, though.
Yeah. Moving on. Yeah. What I want to ask now, I know you will not believe it, but do you know that there are some mumu out there that mistake you for a legend? People are there thinking that Fathia Balogun, legend. I'm like, are they stupid? Are they mad? What do you mean that she's a legend? What has she done in this industry? What has she done for this industry? How she has done is they should be calling her. What have you done? The auntie that calling you in industry is not enough. Auntie Fathia. That's enough now. Which one is that should be calling you legend? The auntie title, manage it. I'm sure you understand my.
How did you get here? When did you lose it? Yes. Because the Bayi I knew then. Then. Humble, quiet, easygoing, intelligent. What
did I say now?
What did you say?
Do you think you're a legend?
I didn't say that.
You asked, and it's my opinion.
And I'm also asking you a question.
Which one is what did I lose it? What did I lose?
Did you not ask me?
What did I lose?
Did you not ask me? You said, do you think you are a legend? And I'm asking you, how did you lose it? When?
What did I lose? Adam.
You lose, boy. Oh, come on.
So you're a legend. Okay, to me, you're not a legend.
Thank you.
Yes, to me, you're auntie.
I'm not even auntie. I am Fathia. My name is Fathia.
I'm glad you tell them to stop calling you auntie. Every time they'll see you pass it, they'll be kneeling down.
I'll tell them.
You're letting your somebody, even though you see not them, they are your colleague. They're celebrities too. You make them kneel down for you. They'll be kneeling down to greet you.
Do you know why we are getting away with this?
Why?
Because if I insult you, your father will be crying. Fathia, Obama to Sele.
Hey, if he invoke my daddy now, my daddy can say it's his farms, My daddy might not know it like that, though. You know your daddy. Your
daddy used to farms me. Your daddy used to come and look for me because Sake. I'm love me. Baba fans me lo je. Baba man fans me ni. And you now came again as the son to farms me. Yes.
Let's move on to the next question.
What's it?
Let's move on to the next question. It says here that you are over 50 years of age. I'm sure a lot of people tell you that you look or you don't look your age. That's right. Why are you shaking your leg? Calm down now. Why you calm down? What? I'm only asking a question. Why are you shaking?
Okay. What did you ask me?
Calm down. Why are you just shaking? You're angry. You feel like slapping me. You wish. So you wish I'm not taller than you. You will have slapped me.
Are you taller than me?
I'm kind. Forget the heels you are wearing. I'm taller.
Okay, like the question you just asked me now.
I've not asked you a question. You are the one that is jumping. You are that. If you can't.
Guy is jumping. You have to be baba, they are jumping. You shall want me to insult them, Sha. I've been avoiding it since, but you want me to insult them.
But what did I do?
Me, I'm jumping.
It's not. What's bad in jumping?
Bayi. Is it because of this your stupid program you are doing?
Let me just ask my question. Let me ask you. Why are you cutting me?
I did not say you should not ask your question. Why are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting. What did I insult you?
Me, I'm jumping. Bombe.
No, jumping.
So quickly, jumping is not bombe.
If you like to do Yoruba film, you will know it. Me, I do not know jumping is. You know me, I'm very educated. You understand?
You're very educated.
I'm an ND holder.
Hear me, oh. So you can talk about my father by to your long. ND holder. Loni. This generation. Awala ni ND ko nse yin. We trained our children well to go and don't let me insult. No problem.
Let me just ask my question. You're over 50 years of age. I'm sure a lot of people say you don't look your age, and that might be true. But I swear, you dress your age, oh. Because what did you wear in that your birthday dinner party? That white thing. What's that white thing? What's funny? What is funny? Who is trying to make you laugh? What happened to you? You dress 80 years old. You dress your age. What are your age?
Do you?
What happened?
I don't know if you have a girlfriend or you have a wife.
Duh.
Can you bring your girlfriend or your wife?
To stand beside you?
Yes.
For what?
I'm sure your girlfriend cannot stand beside me.
You think?
I will hands down. Eh?
Show you now, Abi you
now.
On Omega.
Me now. Bring your girlfriend out. If you are Bayi, bring your girlfriend out now. And I'm sure before your girlfriend returns,
my girlfriend.
Wherever you are, come out.
What if I say my girlfriend is Aliyah?
Orí ẹ fẹ́ burú ni. Ṣorí ìyà tó fẹ́ jẹ ní àárọ̀ yìí, ó máa jẹ. Ìyà tó fẹ́ jẹ ní àárọ̀ yìí, ó máa padà jẹ. Ṣó sì yẹ. Your girlfriend.
Why is so protective? She's not somebody that we marry her, that we date her.
That she's still in school.
And so?
You announce, Bayi wo, gbogbo nǹkan ni mi gbà o. Gbogbo nǹkan ni mi gbà, not my children o, not Aliyah o, ṣọ́rẹ́ o. I will break your head o. You know you have this thing here, I will break your head.
Why is it that it's men that suffer? You have used Khalid have come here and do Fijabi for you and his brother. But the female, you are taking care. No, not her. No, Aliyah Chede.
You heard me just now. She's still in school.
In school, like what school? How old is Aliyah?
You, Mama Low.
How old is Aliyah?
Mama Low.
Is she not over 18?
I will be going, no.
Sorry, Aliyah.
Sorry for your head. Oh no.
No, if she actually ends up with me, she's actually
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó end up with you. I rebuke it láyé mi. Who end up with you?
That's a good catch.
You and who? Má yẹ kí n ṣépè fún ẹ o.
We very know each other.
Má jẹ́ kí n ṣépè fún ẹ o.
Okay. So,
Jẹ́jẹ́ ni mo jókòó mi tó ní kí n wá sí show ẹ o.
Let's go back to Efunroye.
Thank you.
The
unicorn.
The unicorn. Oh. What happened?
To who?
Let's go back to Efunroye, the unicorn. Is it my movie? Is it that we'll talk about it now?
And you don't have the respect for this your program to ask me the question you want to ask me. Let's go back to Efunroye, the unicorn.
Why does respect have to do with you promoting your movie? Why is respect everything? I should kneel down. Talk please, so kilo day because if you're older than me. I need a person that is older than me that I will give platform.
Is this the way you talk to people that come here?
What should I talk to? I should be putting ma at the end of my. Sorry, I'm so sorry,
Should I make it by? Oh, they make it. Well, you should share the program.
It's too late because I have made it already.
Nibo, but let's make it. Kiloni. What's make it? Laarin lórí social media. What's make anyone fancy the most
I don't like
young.
I don't like to.
You don't have ni. You are managing. You don't have. How many years ago that I've known you? Oh, kò sí nǹkankan. One pay me. Èmi face. Don't worry, we'll finish this program. So this is Efunroye the Unicorn, my new movie that is showing in all cinemas. Boy, it's
Sorry.
If you talk about 4 comments, about 4 it's here.
Who are the people in Efunroye, the cast, be listening?
Best size. This guy here. Oh God.
What did I say again now? Who are the people in this?
Hey, okay. We have Ogogo in the movie.
We know we are go be fast.
There's Femi Adebayo.
Okay.
Femi Branch.
Go to where we.
John Adekola. Saheed Balogun.
Bam, stay like that. Stay like that. Those airports stay like that. So, Mr. Saheed acted in Efunroye. Did you pay him in cash or you pay him in kind? 1 round, 1 scene. 1 scene, 1 round.
God.
Is that Abby? That's a good question. What happened? How did you pay him? Simple. That's a very matured question now.
What's your business?
Why
do you want to know? I paid him in cash, yo. I paid him in kind, yo. Kilo coin. I can pay in anything I want to pay. What is your own?
Oga.
Oga bi ori e.
How about you?
See?
You now want to go, Mr. Saheed. Mr. Saheed. Ah, I love that man. So, what do you think he's doing at home now?
Okay, I should bring my family plan.
So he's your family?
To your program.
He's part of your family?
To your program.
So people are back together?
What is your business?
If you just don't say family now, isn't that a family? Isn't that a family? Is it not a family?
Are you not my family?
Who is your family? Who's that?
You're not my family.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's not, I'm so sorry. So, Mr. Saheed is part of your family? He's simple now. Are you people are back together? No, it's question.
What is your business? Sure.
God does not want anything premarital. So, are you people back together?
See who is talking.
What the? Mama, calm down. It's not my...
What is calm down?
The interview is not my... Mama, it's not part of it. This is not part.
It's not part of it.
The interview is not part of it. It's not about me and my daddy.
You asked me and I'm asking you.
This woman.
What is that? Shebi we know each other now.
I just...
Curiosity, Abi.
Yeah. Don't answer. Don't answer. Are you people back? Yeah. So no, we are just for our no. Don't worry. Let's move on. Now, wow. Next question. Do you ever plan on quitting acting, or I should look for a way to tell people to cancel you?
It's not your fault. You know, because they cancelled you in so many...
Mama.
They cancelled you in so many careers, so you think that everybody will be cancelled. Number which number is this one that you are doing?
See me. Let me say something. Me, I love to explore.
Hey, yeah.
Understand? I love to explore. Understand? I get bored easily. You have been acting.
You don't like to explore, so you were not successful on it, ni.
More.
You were not successful on it. You didn't. Why are you lying? I know. But this career, I've been there for over 30-something years, and I'm still doing good, and I'll still do good, Bayi. And I'm not leaving anytime soon.
Yeah, please leave.
Leave where?
Acting.
Come and carry me now.
I'm begging you. I'm
begging you for what?
That you should quit. Can't I beg you?
The career me till what she got here, abi. People they come back here low way. They cannot take my own. No.
Who carry my career? What sort of thing are you saying this morning?
What am I saying? What are you asking me since morning?
Come on.
You want to cry?
I'm not crying. Just I'm crying. I'm laughing.
Don't cry. Sorry, sorry.
Thank you. More. Even know what I want to ask again.
Afraid the Unicorn is still showing in all cinemas across the nation. Please go and watch for me. You will love this movie. The review is excellent. Please go watch it for me. I love you and thank you all. If you have watched it, thank you. If you have not watched it, go and watch it for me.
There's this girl I just met. I plan on going to watch it with her. April 29,
is 2037. It every month that you change your girlfriends?
That's when I plan on watching it with her.
Because another one is coming, Annie.
Mama.
You have another new one again.
Can you just leave my life alone?
Did you leave my own life alone? Did you leave my own life? You went to the extent of bringing Juju to your show because you want to know about my own life. You say I should live your life.
When you will not tell us easily, if you are matured, you just say, guys, I'm actually, nobody will bite you, nobody will beat you, but you're just scared. Say it.
Must everything be said? Must everything? But you know how to change girlfriends every day.
So we can't be.
But you don't have sense to know that this thing is this thing.
Oh! You tell us.
Tell you what?
Breaking news. Damn. Say it.
Should I go?
Fathia Balogun Williams. The unicorn.
Benny.
The unicorn.
The unicorn, Benny.
The cowgirl, the unicorn girl.
You can't zip your mouth. You're just respecting yourself just now. What do you see me? The cowgirl, what's his? So you have to get off your one.
No, the cow, like, the cow, there's cowgirl style. Your own is the unicorn girl style. Huh. Don't worry, those who know, we know. You are too old to know it. You understand?
Yeah, I'm too old to know it.
Yeah, are you young? Do you know cowgirl style? You don't know. Abi, you know. You know. Ha! Efuro, yeah! Tell us, what's Efuro about? Why should we go and watch it?
Efuro is a cultural story, very deep cultural story that is.
But I saw Oyinbo in the trailer. How is the culture?
In 18th century, we had white people staying in.
Yes.
Yes. Go and read well.
White people are in that.
They used to, in the 18th century, we had white people negotiating with us, doing business with us in Lagos. So, because I just said it, which school did you go to? I don't know. You should know history.
It's not everything I can know. No matter the school I go to.
You don't know Efunroye. You don't know Efun Shetan.
But I know my Khalifa. Do you know my Khalifa? Don't know. What I know, you don't know. So we can't know everything. Knowledge is vast. You can't know any people I know. You know Efuro, I know my Khalifa.
Okay. Efuro is a strong woman that ruled in the 18th century. Was a very strong woman that was into politics, was into slave trade, was into the businesses they do in 18th century. And she was strong. She was a kingmaker. So why you should go and watch Efuro is because it's an historical story that you need to learn. That you need to learn from. Like you just said now, you said you don't know anything about Efuro. And Efuro is an icon that you need to know about. Your children need to know about it.
But you've told us about her. Now why should I still go and watch it? You've said everything, that she's an icon, she's a peacemaker,
it's not
she's
enough.
a slave.
It's not enough.
So there's more in the movie.
There's more in the movie to learn that you're not even expect. Okay, let me shock you. Fumi Ramson Kuti, I'm sure. What do you know about?
She's in the movie.
What do you know? She's in the movie.
She's back.
Babe, it's back in it.
You know,
it's back.
What's going on? Hey. You know what I said?
You said Fumi is back. Is your father back?
I thought.
I won't call Padani. Is your father back?
Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
So what if you're talking serious? You just come with that's your dirty kini wa masoro.
Right.
Okay. Why I think you should watch Efunroye is